Farber was competing in the women's bouldering semifinals when a close-up of the chalk handprints on her bottom was aired by broadcasters. Commentator Matt Groom. It is the second time Farber has been subjected to inappropriate television coverage. The first occurred at the IFSC World Cup in Innsbruck in June, when host broadcaster Orff was F at the time. Farber described the incident as disrespectful and upsetting, with the Austrian climber urging for an end to the sexualization of women in sport. Orff to apologize for zooming in on the 23-year-old. Immediately apologized for the shot. The IFSC would like to deeply apologize to Johanna Farber, Austria Climbing, all the athletes, and the entire sport climbing community for the images that were broadcast today during the women's boulder semifinal at the IFSC Climbing World Championships Moscow. The IFSC condemns the objectification of the human body and will take further action in order for it to stop, and to protect the athletes. After meeting with representatives of the Austrian team, IFSC President Marco Scaleris issued the following comment. "How many times will things have to be done wrong, before we learn how to do them right?" 2021, the statement said. Despite the apology, former British climber and editor-in-chief of UKClimbing.com, Natalie Berry, told Sky News more work had to be done.